Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the sound problem in your device Realme C35. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new and updated videos. Now let's move to the topic. If in your device Realme C35 you are having issue related to the sound of the device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound problem in your device Realme C35.